today let's start with chapter number 30, carbon dioxide and oxygen. So let's start with the chapter now. CO2, that is carbon dioxide, is most useful gas. It is present in the air. It is produced when any form of carbon or almost any carbon compound is burned in excess of oxygen. So it is released into atmosphere during the natural forest fire. When fossil fuels are burned and other natural sources of carbon dioxide include volcanic eruption, decay of dead plants, and animal matter evaporation from the oceans. So let's study about properties of carbon dioxide. ये colorless होती है, odorless होती है, right? It does not support burning और ये soluble होती है water में, right? So let's study about the preparation of carbon dioxide. It is prepared by vinegar, that is acetic acid, to react करता है with washing soda or baking soda. It is an experiment for the preparation of carbon dioxide gas. What apparatus? Mini test tube, rubber stopper with a hole, small glass tube, rubber tube to connect to glass tube, vinegar, baking soda, washing soda, tablespoon, teaspoon, a cork or a test tube. मेथड्स क्या है? सेटअप एन अपैरेटस ऑफ बेकिंग सोडा और उसको आप वॉश करोगे. नेक्स्ट पोर विनेगर टिल fill about half the bottle. Close the bottle with the stopper and you will see a gas bubble being formed. This means that gas is being produced and this gas is carbon dioxide. Uses क्या है? It is used in fire extinguisher, inflating life raft and life jackets, blasting coal, forming rubber plastic, making aerated soft drinks, and use this gas to make their food in the presence of sunlight. Plants क्या करते हैं? इस गैस का यूज करते हैं for making food. Right? Next is oxygen. It is very important gas. All living things need oxygen to live. Plants, animals takes in oxygen from the air when they breathe. और ऑक्सीजन क्या बर्न करती है? इट बर्न्स फूड इन द बॉडी और रिलीज करती है एनर्जी, ग्रोथ एंड मूवमेंट की. Do you ever wonder how so many plants and animals takes is oxygen? The amount of oxygen in the air remains same. This is because green plants produce and release oxygen during the day when they make food. Now properties. ये colorless है, odorless है और tasteless है. It is denser than air and it is also soluble in water. ये burn करती है air में और oxygen gas जो है वो help करती है burning में. Right? Let's study about the preparation of oxygen. So you can prepare oxygen by burning the solution of hydrogen peroxide, manganese dioxide before you start experiment in the laboratory. So you should never wear safety goggles for protection. So apparatus, flask, Florence flask हो गया, wood splints हो गया, matches, candles, burner, tongs, crucible tongs, 6% hydrogen peroxide, manganese dioxide, or they are active during dry yeast. Now method, place the hydrogen peroxide solution in the flask, add a small amount of manganese dioxide or other suitable catalyst to speed up the decomposition of hydrogen peroxide. You will note that solution is bubbling and light a candle in a burner. You will hold a wood splint with tongs, light the end of the wood splint and it will allow it to burn for few seconds. Right? ये क्या करेगा? थोड़े सेकंड तक बर्न करेगा. हाइड्रोजन जो पेरोक्साइड होता है, it can be disposed on by the drain while running water. Manganese dioxide should be disposed of a solid waste in an approved landfill. Right? So what are the uses? Living things need oxygen to breathe. ऑक्सीजन किस में हेल्प करता है? बर्निंग में. पेशेंट्स को ब्रीथिंग में जब डिफिकल्टीज होती है तो व्हाट वी यूज? ऑक्सीजन. Astronauts carry oxygen cylinder. Mountaineers, they also use oxygen cylinder while they are climbing. Right? This is all about the chapter. Let's come to the tick the correct option. Dash does not support burning carbon dioxide. Living things needs dash to breathe. What they need? Oxygen. Dash is very important gas. Dash is your oxygen. Things burn in nitrogen, air and carbon dioxide, air. There are different uses of dash gases. Oxygen gas. Now fill in the blanks. Carbon dioxide is a dash and dash gas. कैसी गैस है ये? Important and useful gas. Carbon dioxide is dash in water. Carbon dioxide is prepared when vinegar reacts with acetic acid. Acetic acid. Plants use dash to mix their food, carbon dioxide, CO2. Living things dash need dash to breathe. Now carbon dioxide, CO2, vinegar, acetic acid, oxygen, very important gas, astronaut, oxygen cylinder. Now answer the following question. What is carbon dioxide? The gas CO2 which is used by plants to make their food. Write two properties of carbon dioxide gas. How is carbon dioxide helpful to us? Right? What is oxygen? And you have to write two properties of oxygen. ठीक है क्या दो properties होती है वो आपकी. Right? This is all about in this chapter. Hope you understood. Let's meet in next class. That's all for today. Thank you.